Hi, my name is Andrew Smith, and I teach a course entitled The Ultimate Business Planning Workshop. The course is based on the activities that my wife Lisa and I designed and implemented into our personal real estate business that enabled us to sell over 1,000 homes over the course of the last 20 years, as well as helping hundreds of agents grow their personal real estate businesses. In this course, you will walk away with a customized written business plan based on your unique goals. So you will know exactly what you need to do over the next year in order to accomplish your financial goals. You'll also learn what separates highly successful agents from their counterparts and discover how pleasure and pain are motivating forces and how being comfortable can actually prevent your growth. Plus, you'll have the opportunity to put together your very own dream board for daily inspiration and motivation. It significantly changed my life for the better and inspired me to set and accomplish big goals when I built my first one about 10 years ago. It's even a TREC approved 5-hour continuing education course for agents, but if you don't need CE, don't let that stop you from taking the class. From new agents to seasoned veterans, everyone needs a business plan. Remember, just one idea implemented could be worth thousands of dollars to your bottom line. We have limited seating, so please register today. Hope to see you there.